You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our program is call by reference and call by value method in Python. Following topics we will cover. First is call by object reference method with example. Second, how to return more than one value in a function. And third, we will create a program to swap two values using Python function. Python does not support call by value and call by reference method. In place of both these methods, it supports a new way called call by object reference. In this method, Python treats every variable as an object. Each object has an address and name. If we make any change or update that variable, then it assigns a new address to that variable with new value, but name will be same. Let's take an example. Here we are creating a variable x and assigning 10 value to it. Then we will print this variable. After printing this variable, we will increment the value of our variable x, and again we will print that variable. As well as we will also print the address of variable before increment and the address of variable after increment. To print the address, we are using id function. Here we will check if we make any change in our variable, then if Python also assign a new address to this variable or not. So here we are incrementing our variable with one value. Now we are running the program and checking. You can see here that before increment its address is 992, but after increment its address changed to 9024. It means Python change the address of variable when we make any change in that variable. Now we will check what will happen if we pass a value in a Python function. In other languages, if we pass a value inside a function, then it just send the copy of original value. So if we make any changes in that copy, that will not reflect on original value. But if we pass call by reference method, then it just send the reference of original value, and if we make any changes in that reference, that will directly reflect on original value. But in Python there is third method where if we pass a value in a function, then it just pass the original value inside the function. But if we make any changes in that original value, it just assign a new address to that value. So the changes will not reflected on original value outside the function. Here we are creating a swap function using third variable. Now we are calling the function swap parenthesis x comma y. Now we have completed the program. Run the program. Python program name .py. Here you can see that no changes of this swap function. All values are same before function and after function. So is it running as a call by value method? No, the actuality is different. It is passing the original value in this function. But when we swap two values, it just assign a new address to our x and y. So no effect on original value. Now we will get the proof of object by reference concept. To do this, we will print the address of our variables before the function, inside the function, and after the function. That will show the concept of object reference method in Python. Here we are just printing the address of our x variable before the swapping inside the function, after the swapping inside the function, before the swapping outside the function, and after the swapping outside the function. We will print. Here id function is using to print the address of a variable. Now we are running the program. You can see here the address of x is before swapping is 92, but when we perform the swapping, its address is changed. Now its address is 312, but after the swapping outside the function, its address is again 92. So inside the function, when we swap, Python return a new address to our variable. Now the question is how to swap two values in Python. I will delete all the addresses in this program. In Python, we can return two values or more than two values. So here I will just add a return statement and return both the value. When we return values in this way, then Python treat these values as a tuple. To access the value of that tuple, we just use the script. For first value, we use 0 script, and for second value, we will use 1 script. In this way, we can just perform our swapping operation in Python. Now we will run the program. You can see here swapping. Thank you for watching our video.